Welcome to our Gardening Tips video series. I am Monica Fleur. Let's explore strategies that will help deter deer from your gardens. We will start with physical barriers. Installing fencing around the perimeter of the lawn is one of the most effective deterrents against deer intrusion. Fences should be at least 6 feet tall to prevent the deer from jumping over. Additionally, adding a top extension or using electric fencing can further discourage deer from attempting to breach the barrier. Next, let's talk about natural repellents. Some smells and flavors repel deer naturally. Applying a blend of potent aromas like garlic or hot peppers around your garden can keep deer at bay thanks to their delicate noses. Adding strong herbs such as peppermint, cinnamon, or thyme might also be effective. For those looking for ready-made solutions, commercial repellents with capsaicin or predator urine are effective. Just follow the manufacturer's guidelines. To deter deer, you might use sprinkler systems or lights that activate through motion sensors. These devices detect movement and respond by either lighting up or spraying water, creating an environment that deer find unpleasant but is not harmful to them. Regularly changing the position of these devices prevents deer from becoming accustomed to their presence. Using sound-based deterrents, like ultrasonic devices, offers a subtle method to prevent deer from entering your area. These devices produce high-pitched sounds that deer find uncomfortable, yet these sounds are typically unheard by humans. It's important to select reliable products and to occasionally change the sound frequency for effectiveness. Another important approach is habitat or environmental modification. By removing things that attract them, like fallen fruit or trash, your yard becomes less appealing to deer. Elevating plants makes it harder for them to reach. Using rocks or plants with thorns as barriers can also keep deer away from your yard. Now, on to plant choices. Opting for deer-resistant plants can naturally keep them away. There are a wide variety of plants that deter deer. Think herbs like mint, thyme, oregano, and sage. Shrubs like boxwood, juniper, spruce, and pine. Flowers like marigolds, daffodils, foxgloves, and hellebores tend to be avoided. Other methods include using organics, mixing a product like EB stone, organics blood meal, and bone meal into the soil. This mixture not only enriches the soil, but can also deter both deer and rabbits. However, it's also about what not to include. Avoiding deer favorites is also important. Deer love a variety of plants including fruit-bearing trees, shrubs, and vegetables such as citrus trees, fig trees, and fruiting shrubs. They may also target fruiting vegetables such as tomatoes and melons. Keeping these out of a garden may help to avoid problems. While plants and garden features can attract deer, their preferences change due to local conditions, food availability, and behavior. Those living in deer-prone areas might choose less appealing landscaping or use deterrents to prevent conflicts. Yard elements like bird feeders and water sources can serve to draw deer in. Some plants have scents that are attractive to deer. Avoid planting flowers such as roses, daylilies, and phlox if you are prone to deer. While they may add aesthetic appeal, they can also attract deer with their scent. These practices are key to maintaining a serene garden environment for you, not for the deer. Lastly, the golden rule: never feed deer. It only encourages them to return, and it is detrimental to the deer. Building deer-smart gardens can be fun and challenging. Share your ideas with the club. Thanks for viewing this program. I am Monica Fleur. Look for more of my videos in our Gardening Tips video series.